Here I have Nokia 8 and let me show you how to use Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's enable your upper bar. Here you have to find and select Do Not Disturb. So let me find it right here. And as you can see right now, you are using the alarms only, but you can change to the total silence, so this blocks all sounds and vibrations, including from alarms, music, videos and games, but of course you'll still be able to make phone calls. You may also turn into the priority only, so you won't be disturbed by sounds and vibration except from the alarms and the specified rules. You may also select the alarms only, as I said you before, and what's more important, you have to also choose the scheduled time, so you can, for example, switch on the Do Not Disturb for the exact period of time, for example for an hour, or for the other period of time, or for example until you turn it off. In my case, let me choose until I turn it off. And right now also let me find you how to find the settings of Do Not Disturb. Let's open the list of all settings. Here you have to find and select sound, and under sound you've got the Do Not Disturb preferences. Here you can set up the priority only allows, so you can handle reminders, events, repeat callers. You can accept some calls and messages, for example from your favorite contacts and from other specified rule. And you can also block visualization disturbance and set some automatic rules. So for example, you can switch on automatically Do Not Disturb every weekend, every weeknight, every event, or you can add some other personal rule. Let's go back, and if you would like to disable this mode, let's use the upper bar, tap on alarms only. Let me go back, it's important to tap on the icon, and right now I disabled the Do Not Disturb, so everything went well. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.